I studied many YouTube channels and YouTube videos that reveal their earnings on YouTube. And some of these earnings are astonishing, such as finance channels making between $7,000 to $11,000 per day with 300 to 400k daily views. Channels with substantial viewership can earn significant income. An example is a channel generating $70,000 over 12 months from a single video. And smaller channels can also earn significant income. Channels with 3,800 subscribers can earn around $218 per month. And channels generated a consistent $20 to $30 with just a few thousand views on each video. But keep in mind, it depends on your niche and how much advertisers are willing to pay you for targeting your audience. So this brings to my first topic, that is the highest paying niches on YouTube. So it's ranging from $13.52 average with making money online niche all the way to the $1.40 in the gaming niche. And keep in mind, these are just averages and there are some niches that can make significantly higher amount for every 1,000 views. For example, affiliate marketing, which is a sub-niche of making money online, can average $22 for 1,000 views. With that said, pick your niche wisely. While niche is the big piece of the CPM and how much advertisers are willing to pay, video length to allow for multiple ad placements, audience demographics influences the dollar amount. The more audience is capable of spending, the higher advertisers are willing to pay. And there are 3 ways to go about creating a YouTube video for passive income. You can either spend time or money, or a hybrid. It may make a lot of sense to spend a couple of bucks on editing platforms like Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro and leverage YouTube as a free resource to start learning about how to edit videos and how to create engaging content. But if you don't have a lot of time, but you have a lot of capital, then you can hire a bunch of people and they can do video editing for you. And you can automate the entire process using sources other than yourself. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork have thousands of listings and gigs available, and you can pay them for video editing services and thumbnail services and voiceover, etc. But remember, you can do all this on your own because no one will be able to tell the story the way you do. And this brings me to my last approach, the hybrid method. Mastering different skills with time and outsourcing thanks to specialists that might be able to deliver a high quality than what you can do, because all it takes is one video. And this brings me to the highly debated questions of, is it quality or quantity that matters on YouTube? While the majority of channels take years and a lot of videos to get picked up by the YouTube algorithm, this is all results of content creators getting better and better and do consistent efforts and repetition. When the video starts attracting viewers, the video is usually well crafted and engages and retain the viewers. And with that said, there are also examples of channels that have posted only one video which has led to the monetization. And there are also examples of channels that post once every 6 months and manage to get millions of views. Because audience know when a video is posted by straight creator, it will be high value content and new viewers that see the videos stick around because they see value in it. At this point, you might be thinking, what is a high quality video? What is YouTube looking for? And answer to that is very simple. No one exactly knows what it is that takes your videos to the top. But if a topic is highly debated and your video is highly crafted and high quality, then there are chances that your video would get a lot of views. So what should we do as a creator? Should we make high quality videos or we should just focus on quantity rather than quality? So in my opinion, when you are starting with YouTube, you should focus on quantity rather than quality. So once you have started making videos, for example, at least you have created 10 videos, so it's time to start getting better and better. So for example, if you become 1% better with each video, you would become 30% better in 30 videos. So that's a lot of success. So if you want to get success on YouTube, you need to become better and better. I got this idea of 1% rule from 𝗙cie𝗹𝗹𝟎 and from a book called Atomic Habits. So this 1% rule is very effective. You can try it and you will see the results. And we can also listen to the people who have done it for years. And with that, what better person to look at than the most successful YouTuber, Mr. Beast.
To me, what's important is click-through rate, getting people to click on your video, and then average view duration, average view percentage, or just relative retention, and having them watch it. A lot of creators think click-through rate is just like the title and thumbnail and did they click it, but a lot of it too is did they enjoy your last video? Because if someone watches a video of yours and they loved it, you can bet the next time you recommend it, their chance of clicking is a lot higher.
Mr. Beast has mentioned that videos tend to do well if they can retain the viewers for specifically 70%. This percentage needs to be our target before we give up on the algorithm.
Click, they don't watch, so you want to give them something to click.
We were able to find a snippet of one of Mr. Beast's video analytics to get an understanding before we should target. The video had a 7% click-through rate. That's a pretty absurd number given the number of impressions that video had. So it's safe to assume one should target that. Aside from these hard matrices, whatever you choose to do, make sure it's something you find interesting, you enjoy doing and you enjoy learning about. Because remember, no one on YouTube is an expert at anything, but the most successful are the ones that have passion and curiosity for the things they share. So with that being said, we came to the end of this video. So I hope you have enjoyed watching this video and you got some useful information from this video. Check out this video over here. That is about 7 digital products that you can make and earn passive income. And I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.